So how long has it been since I was on YouTube? Like at least half a year, a few good months, and now I'm here to tell you guys some shit. That sounded horrible, but I really dug into Lightroom and I've made my own preset packs. Just like everybody else, just like every other content creator nowadays. I made quite a few good categories. Like I made a good few packs that really apply to a good amount of pictures. Like you can apply these filters onto almost any picture and they will look good. With presets, it's not always like a copy paste and the picture will look amazing. These presets actually work quite well doing that. Remember to, adjust the small things to make it look awesome. It's mostly the exposure and the highlights that you have to kind of adjust to make the filter really pop to your picture. Today I'm here to kind of make this tutorial for you guys how to install it. I guess that you guys are using the phone quite a lot more since Lightroom is for free on mobile. So let's get started, right? Start off by downloading the preset from my website, and once you've done that, you'll get an email that says thank you for shopping with us, and you'll get the download link. So you press the download, then open it in your web browser, and it'll ask you if you want to download. You press download, and then the download starts, as you can see in the corner right here. Then when the download is completed, you'll see that here's my other tries to download. But then you'll click the download, and it'll take you to the place where you kind of downloaded the file. At least in iOS, 14 now? iOS 14? I think so. Before you couldn't just press the zip file because iOS didn't support it, but nowadays when you just click the zip file and it'll, unzip the zip file. So over here you have like the the preset folder. So you'll click the folder and then you will see the examples folder the same pictures that you see at the website, and you'll get a how to install readme file. But if you watch this video, you won't need this how to install file anyway. So here you have the preset files, right? You have the names and all that good stuff. Then you just have to, press one by one. So let's say we'll press the warm dark. We'll tap that one. It doesn't show any picture or anything because it's like a raw file. Share the picture, and then obviously you'll have Lightroom ready on your phone. So you select Lightroom, launch Lightroom now, and it'll load. And here you have the imported picture. So this is now like my preset, and if you kind of tap and hold, it shows the original, and then when you release, it's the preset that I've made. Now if you want to save this preset, you go to the three dots in the corner, create preset, and then you'll name the preset, and you can name it or I'd suggest that you name it the same as the file name. So this was the warm dark preset, so I will name this warm dark. Save this file into a preset group. So here you can create a new preset group, and then you can name it JK presets or presets, and then okay. So now that you got that done, you'll just click the accept. So now warm dark added to JK presets. Now let's say that you have let's just stick a picture over here somewhere, like this picture for instance. Then you want to add the preset to this picture. Then you'll scroll to the presets. Here's like a whole bunch of presets that I've done. But over here you can choose which folder you want to locate. And over here you have the JK presets. Take that one. And over here you have the warm dark, and boom, there it is. That was in one click, before, after, and then always, you can adjust the exposure and the highlights that I recommended, and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's basically how you install a preset. It's I like these presets that I've made, and I really would love you to support my page and support my my hustle, because I'm a really small content creator still. So any purchase, any support that I can get is much appreciated. Maybe you'll see me on YouTube in a few months again. But thanks guys for watching and have fun with these presets, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly, somehow, somewhere. Thanks.